Welcome to the app. To access the correct features, you'll first need to select your role. For this tutorial, we will choose the Trader role. From the main dashboard, navigate to and select the Single Declaration option. The Single Declaration page opens, giving you two choices: Import or Export. First, let's tap on the Import option. This opens the Import Single Declaration page, where you'll see all your listing records. You can quickly search these records using the Search option. To view the comprehensive details of any record, simply tap on the corresponding declaration in the list. In this detailed view, you can find crucial information, including consignment information, financial information, commodity information, attached documents, levies information, and the examination report. If you need to submit a cancellation request, tap the Cancel Request button. A dialog box will appear. Enter your remarks and confirm to submit the cancellation. Now, let's explore the export side. Go back to the main declaration screen and tap the Export option. The Export Single Declaration page displays all your listing records. You can efficiently search records by using the Search option. Tap on any record to see its full details. Here you'll find the consignment information, financial information, commodity information, attached documents, levies information, and the examination report details. To access dray-off details, tap the floating button option. A dialog box will appear where you can select between full dray-off or partial dray-off, and then enter your remarks to submit the dray-off request. Finally, if you need to submit a cancellation request for an export declaration, tap the Cancel Request button. Thank you for watching.